This is Lesson 6, Conduct the Analysis. Exercise 6D, Clean up the map and Geodatabase. In this exercise, we have 7 objectives. First, we want to simplify or clean up the map document. Second, add descriptions to the layer properties. Third, delete any unnecessary fields from the attribute table. Fourth, add an identifier field to the attribute table. Fifth, save the layer as a layer file. Sixth, set up the map document properties. And the 7th objective is to clean up the geodatabase. This exercise begins where exercise 6C ended. In the table of contents, we will begin at the top and remove all layers except for the following: recommended sites, LA River buffer, and base map. Next, we will turn on the LA River buffer, and base map layers. Right-click LA River buffer and click Zoom to Layer. To make the LA River layer stand out more, open the symbol selector and change the color to Big Sky Blue and change the width to 3. Click OK. Next, open the symbol selector for the recommended sites layer. Click Fill Color and then click No Color. Change the outline color to median apple and the outline width to 2. Open the symbol selector for the LA River buffer. Click the Fill Color and then click No Color. Change the outline color to medium lilac and the outline color to 1.5. Our first objective, to simplify our map document, has been met. Now let's move on to our second objective, to add descriptions to the layer properties. Open the layer properties for recommended sites and click the General tab. In the description box, type, "These are the 5 sites recommended for a new park near the Los Angeles River." Then click OK. Open the layer properties for LA River buffer. In the description box, type, "This is a 3/4 mile buffer around the Los Angeles River." Then click OK. Now we need to delete all unnecessary fields and attributes from the recommended sites table. This is the third objective on this list. Open the attribute table, right-click on the FID_5sites_identity field heading and choose Delete Field. Click Yes on the prompt to confirm the field deletion. We also need to delete the following FID fields: FID_5sites, near_FID, FID_park access zones, _spatial join, and FID_block groups. We are now going to move to the fourth objective, which is to add an identifier field that can be managed. Click the Table Options button and choose Add Field. Name the field Site ID and accept the default short integer field data type, then click OK. Next, scroll to the end of the table. Right-click the Site ID field heading and choose Field Calculator. Double-click Object ID, then click OK. This is a simple expression that will assign the same values of 1 to 5 to the new field. The difference is that the Site ID is a field we can manage, while Object ID is not. Once the processing is complete, open the layer properties for recommended sites. The following steps show a detailed example for formatting fields to make them more readable. Click the Fields tab. In the list of fields, uncheck Shape_Length and Shape_Area to hide them. At the bottom of the list, click Site ID to highlight it. In the row of tools at the top, click the little drop-down arrow next to the Move Up button and choose Move to Top. Click the Move Down button twice to move the field directly underneath Shape. Moving this field affects the layer only. In the feature class, fields are stored in the order in which they're added, and this order can't be changed. Click the %under18 field near the bottom of the list to highlight it. In the box on the right, under Appearance, click the word Alias to highlight it. Replace the current alias with %under18 years. 2 lines down, click Number Format to highlight it. Click the button that appears on the right to open the Number Format dialog box. In the Number Format dialog box, click the Percentage category, then click Numeric Options. Change the number of decimal places to 0. Click OK on the Numeric Options and Number Format dialog boxes. Click Apply to apply your changes so far. Now we need to do these same steps to the Acres, Near Dist, Pop 2000, Medium HH Income, and Pop Density fields. Format the Acres field and change the alias to Acres and the number format to numeric, 1 decimal place. Format the near_dist field, change the alias to feet to LA River, and the number format to numeric, 0 decimal places, show thousands separators. Format the Pop 2000 field, change the alias to 1/4 mile population and the number format to numeric, with show thousands separators. Format the median HH income field. Change the alias to median household income and the number format to currency. Format the pop density field. Change the alias to people per square mile and the number format to numeric, 0 decimal places, show thousands separators. Click OK to close the layer properties. In the attribute table, widen fields as needed by placing the mouse pointer between field headings and dragging in either direction. Close the attribute table. We can now move on to the fifth objective, saving the recommended sites layer as a layer file so that these properties will be available for use in other map documents. At this point, all of the format settings are layer properties within this map document only. This is what was done to the city boundary of Los Angeles in Lesson 1. In the table of contents, right-click Recommended Sites and choose Save as Layer File. In the Save Layer dialog box, navigate if necessary to Home, Parksite, / Maps and More. Accept the default name recommendedsItes.lyr and click Save. Our sixth objective is to set the map document properties to create metadata, background information, about the map and to make it searchable. From the main menu, choose File, Map Document Properties. In the Map Document Properties dialog box, for the title, type Los Angeles River Park Site Analysis. For the summary, type Map of Recommended Sites for Park Development near the Los Angeles River. For the description, type these are the 5 sites recommended for a new park near the Los Angeles River. For the author, type your name. For the credits, type City of Los Angeles, ESRI. For the tags, type Parks, Los Angeles River, Los Angeles, and include the commas to separate the tags. Near the bottom of the dialog box, check the box to store relative path names to data sources. This setting allows you to move the map document and its data sources to different locations without disruption, as long as the layer paths to source data maintain the same directory structure relationship. Click Make Thumbnail, then click OK. Save the map. In the Catalog window in the Home folder, right-click lesson6.mxd and choose Item Description. The properties you set appear in the item description for the map document. If you don't see the thumbnail graphic, right-click the Home folder in the Catalog window and choose Refresh. Note that the Preview tab allows you to navigate the map. When you have finished exploring the various tools in the Preview tab, close the Item Description window. We are now ready to move on to the final objective on our list, cleaning up the Geodatabase. In the Catalog window, expand Analysis Outputs.gdb and click on it. Click the Show Next View button to split the Catalog window into a top and bottom pane. The Geodatabase should contain 11 feature classes and 1 table. In the bottom pane of the Catalog window, hold a Control key and click each dataset in Analysis Outputs to select it, except these two, LA River Buffer and Recommended Sites. Right-click any of the selected datasets and choose Delete. Click Yes on the Confirm Delete dialog box. Now we'll update the item description for the 2 remaining feature classes. In the Catalog window, right-click the LA River Buffer feature class and choose Item Description. In the Item Description window, click the Preview tab and click the Create Thumbnail button. Click the Description tab. In the row of buttons on the top, click Edit. In the Summary box, highlight and delete the existing text. Place it with this. This dataset represents the area under consideration for a new park near the Los Angeles River. In the Item Description box, highlight and delete the existing text. Replace it with this. This dataset is a 3/4 mile buffer around the Los Angeles River. In the Credits box, highlight and delete the existing text. Replace it with this. City of Los Angeles, ESRI. At the top of the window, click Save and leave the Item Description window open. In the Catalog window, click Recommended Sites. Click the Preview tab and click the Create Thumbnail button. Click the Description tab and click Edit. In the Summary box, highlight and delete the existing text and replace it with this. These are the 5 sites recommended for the new park near the Los Angeles River. In the Description box, highlight and delete the existing text. Replace it with this. This dataset is a subset of vacant land parcels 1 acre or larger near the Los Angeles River. In the Credits box, replace existing text with this. City of Los Angeles, ESRI. Click Save and close the Item Description window. Save the map. This concludes Exercise 6D, Clean Up the Map in Geodatabase. In this next exercise, we will evaluate the results of our work by inspecting photographs of the sites.